Cajun Williams. I'm the owner of Krazy K's Barbecue Sauce. And to my left is one of my daughters.
My name is Amber Williams.
And
Emmett Reeder. I'm part of the Krazy K team.
Casey Williams, I'm the other daughter.
I'm Kyle Dale and I'm the greenhorn.
we started cooking at the Barbecue Shack Festival in Hemingway, South Carolina in 1998. Me and my big brother, I call him, friends for life. We played second that year, and we decided that, man, this is fun. We're going to do it some more. So we placed a couple more times. And about 7 years ago, I said, you know what? I'm ready to retire. So the girl says, well, you can. I said, well, yes, I can. I said, well, we want to cook. At that time, they were 15 and 17. And they already knew how to cook a whole hog, about as good as me. So I'll let my daughter Amber tell you the rest of the story.
So in 2009, we started cooking, Casey and I, and since then we have placed third place twice, a fourth, and a fifth. And this year we're hoping to get first. So let's go.
So if you can see behind us, our cooker is pink, bright pink. And as my dad was explaining the story about him not wanting to cook anymore, and Amber and I were going to take over, we just weren't having that. So he kind of laughed at us a lot and made fun of us. And so we made a little bet with him and said if we placed, then he would have to paint his cooker pink. And nevertheless, we got fifth place that year, so now our cooker is hot pink.
And it's not going to change.
First place this year, baby.
Actually, the Krazy K's team come out of retirement this year because they challenged their dad. And that's why we're here, and hopefully this could be a 1-2 finish.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the new salesman. If you want to find us, we got Krazy K's barbecuesauce.com. Look us up on Facebook, Google, whatever you want. You can find us. Thank you.